Ha? Tumushi. Tungani Tumushi.
From Department of Judiciary, participants of this event, ladies and gentlemen. It is my privilege and pleasure to accord a warm welcome to one and all on the occasion of Ride for Legal Awareness being flagged off by Honorable Mr. Justice Yuju Lalit, Judge Supreme Court of India and Executive Chairman also. Lordship, as a part of Pan-India Awareness and Outreach Campaign in celebration of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, DLSA Kargil, under the supervision of Ladakh Legal Services Authority and under the aegis of NALSA, in collaboration with NGO Sevak Kargil and Ladakh Adventure Sports, had organized this ride for legal awareness. It is a rare privilege for the people of Ladakh. I take this opportunity to express my gratitude to Honorable Mr. Justice D.S. Thakur and Honorable Mr. Justice Tashish, led by Mr. Mustafa Haji Advocate, will travel 30 kilometers approximately from this place to Ashina village, covering 4-5 villages and route, with a vision to reach out to the tribal villages and population in the interior of the district in an attempt to reach out to the last person. During this, the volunteers shall distribute the pamphlets containing the information about the beneficiaries under Legal Services Authority Act for the motivation and encouragement of the bikers and cyclists.
Honorable Justice D.S. Thakur, Chairperson Ladakh State Legal Services Authority, Honorable Justice Tashir Afsan, Chairperson High Court Legal Services Committee, Mrs. Thakur, Mrs. Afsan, my wife Amita, all the other dignitaries present here, and above all those torch bearers and flag bearers who will be spreading the message on behalf of NALSA in all these villages. This is to you all. Today is Dashera. In some parts of the country earlier. So that is Sima ka Ullanghan, Simolanghan. And today, what befitting tribute all of you are giving to this program of NALSA by doing by trying to achieve something which up till now nobody had even thought of or dreamt of. So you are the torch bearers, you are the flag bearers, you will be spreading the message of NALSA, you will try to reach out to people and make them aware of the programs of NALSA, of their rights, their right to have free legal aid, and all those other issues. You are all well familiar of everything, and I could gather that some of you are advocates, there are bikers, there are cyclists. This is a tremendous amount of energy, zest that you are showing, and good luck to you all. Thank you so much.
Best of luck, Gulzar bhai.